your girl Brittany here, and I'm here with part 2 of my Beebeecraft's project share. I remember the other day I did an unboxing. They had reached out to me and asked me to go ahead and promote some of their products that they have in their online shop, which I'll have the information down below in the description box. And I already did a part 1 video. I'll go ahead and link that for you as well so you can see what I created there. And I'm here with another one to also show you what I created. And this time I played with the hexagon dies here, and this was such I had already started doing a couple things, but then Sam from Mixed Up Crafts, absolutely loved her, she had created a little purse, and I was like, oh, that'll be perfect. And so she made a Tombola gift box, and it was a hexagon, and this is my take on what she created. Of course, hers was a lot bigger, and so I sized mine down to fit the biggest hexagon die here, and this measures to be 3.5 by 4, and then these pieces here are 2 inches deep, and I did this using one 12 by 12 sheet, and of course, you know, matting my pieces, and then I just had an additional scrap to create my lid. But it's so stinking cute, and I just added feet at the bottom, and I didn't do much decorating to it. I just kept it really plain and simple, and then I did a grass green ribbon as for the handle, and then this Dollar Tree flower I put on the front there, and then it has a Velcro closure, and then here is the inside. And I also have some other things that I created, but here's the rest of the inside. I did mat the inside as well. This literally, y'all, once I figured out what my measurements I wanted to be, this literally took me like 10 minutes to make. So super cute and easy. And then I had made some little stand up. I did some little hexagon note cards. So this was taking one of like the medium sized dies, and I did like little, these are a little bit smaller than 3 by 3, but little cute note cards here. So I have that one, and then I did this one here. It also says happy, and then this one says the best summer ever. And I also utilized the little charms that I had got as well, and I had put the little flip-flops down here. And then I also made some little shakers. So this one says sweet summer with the pineapple. There is a huge reason why I'm very big on the pineapple, and I will reveal that in another video coming up. But here is this one. It says shine on with the flamingo. And then this one here that says sunny days are here and sunshine, and then also a shaker. So super cute products. I really like the die. It cut really well. And again, guys, I have links to everything down below. Also a way for you to reach them as well, in case you would also like to have an opportunity to help promote them and to get their name out there. But thanks so much, guys, for coming to hang out with me in my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.